Did he just drop out of the air? Oh, bro, he's cooked. What's he done? Why didn't you grab him?
I don't know, I'm scared he's gonna bite me.
They don't bite. Bro, grab him. He's fucking concussed or something. Nah, he's just disorientated. He just dropped from the sky. Grab him, Maddage. He legit just dropped from the sky. Probably gonna drown. Quick, 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 quick. He's gonna drown now. Yeah, just like that. Show me him. Oh, bro, he's being bitten by something.
I don't know.
I don't really want to kill him.
Aww. No shot. It was a hard hit.
Yeah, he just doots himself. I heard that you got some birds on your phone, mate. That's a different story.
Slide in my DMs.